Good morning, everyone. So we are doing the part of derivatives. Like some of the derivatives we are doing. So today we are doing some problems from the chain rule again. UV rule, U by V rule. These are the things we'll study today. If anything beyond that time permits, we will do derivatives using trigonometry. Okay. These are the things today we are going to do. So, well, it's not a one way. I'll train you also, and you people please support me and try to give the answers so that the session will be very good. The first slide. D by dx of tan of e power 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So when they gave a derivative like that, e power of something, the first thing you should do the derivative for tan x. The tan derivative is secant square e power 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And e power x derivative is e power x. It is e power 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And after that, we have to do the derivative of the power. It is called 6x plus 4. Right? That is the thing. So we have a one more function, see, a beautiful function on the screen. Question number 2, sine of m into sine inverse of x. Start doing anyone. Anyone give the answer to this? D by dx of, so these are the some of the very good questions from R.D. Sharma. In 11th class only, if you habituated with this textbook, then it will be very good for upcoming things. Anyone start doing? I'll do C. So whenever we are solving the derivative of this, first we have to calculate the sin x derivative. So sin x derivative is cos. That is cos of m into sin inverse of x. Cos of m into sin inverse of x into m is a constant we can keep aside, and the sin inverse of x derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Sin inverse of x derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Cos m into sin inverse of x and m into sin inverse of x derivative 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Now, so I didn't explain, no, in the formulas we wrote, they write d by dx of a power x is a power x into log a. Please add this formula. D by dx of a power x, its formula is a power x into log a, d by dx of a power x into log a. See, very good question I'm saying now. D by dx of a into sine inverse of x whole square is the question. And how it is looking like, I'm writing first formula. D by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. Like d by dx of a power sine inverse x is a power sine inverse x whole square into log a into, that is the formula for Manideep. It's my word. Please don't try. Now it's finished into sine. You should not go for sine inverse. Whole square is there now. Whole square. Its derivative is 2 sine inverse of x. Again, sine inverse of x derivative 1 by 1 minus x square. Everyone, please write down. It's very good theory. D by dx of.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, one second, you repeat, sir.
Okay. 1 second order. I'll repeat.
Yes,
The
sir.
good question. Look, a power x का derivative क्या है? अरे just now बोला ना, a power x का derivative a power, देखो
a power x into log a.
Very good, दादा. a power x into log a. ये तो ये पूरा वाला, देखो ये पूरा वाला looking like x है. ये बॉक्स में लिखो. So a power x का derivative a power x मतलब a sin inverse x whole square into log a. So a power x का हो गया. Now a violet color का बॉक्स में क्या है? Sin inverse x square है. So मतलब यही suppose x है. It's look like x square. मतलब x square का derivative क्या है? 2x है. मतलब 2 sin inverse x है. Now green color sin inverse x का formula 1 by root over 1 minus x. D by dx of a sin inverse x whole square. A power x derivative is a power x into log a. Like that we can do it. Copy this question, please.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
सर और एक बार समझा जी.
Yeah, I'm repeating again. See. Okay. First, I'll train you to understand this question. Power d by dx of a power x क्या? Those who said repeat it again, that fellow respond. Then I'll make you understand. D by dx of a power x.
Sir, x into log.
So d by dx of a power x is a power x into log a. It's a formula. Okay, d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. That's a formula there. Now, d by dx of a power sin x, if I write like this, d by dx of a power x, if I sign like this, you have to write a power sin x, and the sin x derivative is cos x here. a power x का a power x मतलब a power sin x है ना इधर में, a power sin x का a power sin x into cos x. Okay, in the same way, d by dx of a power
Sir, into log a.
Into log a, I forgot. See, into log a into cos x. Now, d by dx of a power sin x cube. A power sin x cube. It's like a power x only. That is a power sin x cube into log a. Now sin का derivative cos x cube and x cube का derivative 3x square. देखो the order.
Yes, sir.
A power x का a power x log a by a power sin x का a power sin x into log a into cos x. A power sin x cube का. Now a power sin x whole cube. ये पूरा का cube है. Sin x पूरा का cube है. Then a formula a power sin x whole cube into log a into sin x cube. ये तो looking like x cube है ना. X cube का derivative क्या है? 3x square. Like sin x whole cube, it is a 3 sin x whole square into sin x derivative is cos x. Now, anyone please do this. D by dx of a sin inverse x whole square. Arpit, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Arpit, differentiation ka before I explained the limits na.
Yes, sir.
Limits का before क्या chapter है भाई?
Sir, the coordinate
limit.
geometry.
Coordinate geometry, eh?
Ellipse, hyperbola, and parabola.
Okay, okay. So this weekend is a maths exam, no? So the exam consists 15 MCQ. Some questions from ellipse, that is, as Arpit is saying, coordinate geometry. Some questions are from limits, some are from derivatives. Okay, I'll increase the level. Last time, I gave easy paper. Now I increase the level. Please prepare thoroughly. If you understand the concept, you can do it. Okay. Now, coordinate geometry, few questions. Limits, medium number of questions. Differentiation, big number of questions. We took the power.
So the answer is a to the power sin inverse x whole square log a into 2 sin inverse x into 1 by root 1 minus x square.
Very good, Anamika. Very good. So a power sin inverse x into log a into it's looking like x square na. Its derivative is 2 sin inverse x and 1 by root over 1 minus x square. A sin inverse x log a 2 sin inverse x 1 by root over 1 minus x square. That's what. Next one. Everyone is understanding. I'll go to the high level questions. That's why. If you are not understanding, I'll train you now. Everyone understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more question I'm doing, see. The question is, I'll write the question later. F of x is equal to log x base c. What is its answer? What is its derivative? Df by dx equal to
F plus h minus fx by
No. Oh, you're saying the formula. Not that one. Log x का derivative क्या है?
1 by x.
Remaining speak out only. Anamika is there in the class or what? So y is equal to log x. Y is equal to log x. If I'm asking dy by dx, you can say that log x derivative is 1 by x. Enough. And remember, log x base e derivative 1 by x. Now the question kya na? Y is equal to log x base 5 they'll give and they'll ask dy by dx. Remember guys, log x base y is equal to log x base c is the question. So dy by dx equal to 1 by x. Most of the members, they know the formula. But when they gave y is equal to log x base 5, when they are asking dy by dx, you should understand there, when they are asking dy by dx, you should understand there, we cannot calculate derivative with the base 5. Y is equal to log x base e by log 5 base e. First we have to split into the two parts. Now this log base e will come here. It will become log e base 5 into log x base e. Now dy by dx is equal to, ये वाला कांस्टेंट है log e base y, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड ए सेकंड फंक्शन में x है ना, इसका डेरिवेटिव log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x. That's it. Y is equal to log x base 5. So we know the derivative of log x base e only. Log x derivative is 1 by x when base e. But the question में क्या ना, they are asking log x base 5. There you should understand log x base 5. That formula is log x base c by log 5 base c. Log 5 base c, it will go to the numerator, it will become log e base 5 into log x base. Please copy both the things. Please copy both the things. Please copy this.
Completed, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
Also done.
Now one more. The question is, anyone do it now? Same question. Y is equal to log x base 10. Please do it. Y is equal to log x base 10. Please do it. y is equal to log x base 10. Y is equal to log x base 10.
Log e base 10 into 1 by x.
Yes, sir.
Log
Log e 10
Log
10
base
into
10
log
into 1
x
by
e
x.
into 1 by
very good.
x
Very good, very good. Log e base 10
into 1 by x.
1 by x.
Yes, sir.
Log e base 10 into 1 by x. Now, very good. Now, next question. Next question is one second. I'm opening the textbook. Yeah. The question is x square plus 2x into e power x. Calculate dy by dx. X square plus 2x into e power x. Anyone? UV formula, Papa. I'm doing C. How to do it now? We have to suppose this as a U and this as a V. Its formula is UV na? U into dV by dx plus V into du by dx. That is x square plus 2x into e power x derivative is e power x plus e power x into 2x plus 2. So if I take e power x common, x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 2. That is e power x into x square plus 4x plus 2. That's it. Next question. E by
4x plus
dx.
2.
4x है ना भाई?
No, sir, that x square plus 2x whole power e to the power x plus e to the power x whole into 2x plus 2. That
हाँ. इसका डेरिवेटिव है ना? x square plus 2 का डेरिवेटिव भाई. x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x है and 2x का डेरिवेटिव 1 है. x derivative 1 no. Now do this please. D by dx of 2 by root over 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Or else wait, I'll change the question. Underscore 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square whole power minus 1 by 2. That's the question. Anamika, do it. D by dx of 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square whole power minus 1 by 2. What is its derivative? D by dx of 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square whole power minus 1 by 2. What is its derivative? I'll do it. First of all, it is looking like how it is looking like a power minus 1 by 2. Na? It's looking like a power minus 1, x power minus 1 by 2. What is the formula for x power minus 1 by 2? What is the formula for x power n? Anyone say? Derivative of x power n is?
N into x to the power n minus 1.
so n into x to the power n.
Derivative of x is n into x to the power of n minus 1. N
Yes,
into
sir.
x to the power of n minus 1, like that. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square, or else this will simplify, it is better, no? Before we are going the derivative, 1 minus 4x square plus 9 plus 12x. That is g by dx of minus 4x square minus 12x minus 8. Okay, now its derivative, it is looking like x power n. X power n, its derivative is n into x power n minus 1. Its derivative n into x power n minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2 into whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into internal derivative. Chain rule. What is this derivative now? Minus 8x minus 12. That's what. D by dx of 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square whole power minus 1 by 2 is the question. So before we are applying the derivative, I thought why it is better to simplify the internal one. So I applied a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. After I applied the formula, now it is looking like x power n. X power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1 into internal derivative I calculated. Please copy it. So don't copy the solution. Copy only the question. Do the solution after the class, whenever you have a free time. That will be better. If you copy as it is, nothing you will get. So after complete, at least let me know, master, I completed. Then I'll start the next question.
Completed, sir.
Very good.
Completed, sir.
That is your job, na, Papa. Next question. I'll give the small questions. At least do it. D by dx of e power root x by root x. D by dx of e power root x by root x. Look at it, is looking like u by v. D by dx of u by v is v square. v into u dash minus u into v dash. That's a formula. D by dx of u by v is equal to v square, v into u dash minus u into v dash. Then how it look like, you know? This is u, this is v, and this is u. So we have to write v square, matlab root x whole square. We have to keep root x aside and we have to calculate the derivative of e power root x minus we have to keep e power root x aside root x. That we have to do it. So here at the side I am doing C 0.1. d by dx of e power root x. Anyone can say what is its derivative?
E to the power root x into 1 by 2 root x.
Very good. Very good, girl. E power root x into 1 by 2 root x. Like this place. Root x into e power root x into 1 by 2 root x. Again, here root x derivative 1 by 2 root x by root x whole square. एक ही root x cancel हुआ. So e power root x by 2 minus e power root x by 2 root x by x. Root x का whole square कितना हो गया? Root x का whole square x है. तो ये दोनों टर्म्स में क्या कॉमन आया था भाई? e power root x by 2 कॉमन है. 1 minus 1 by root x by x है. ये तो LCM करो. e power root x by 2 into root x minus 1 by root x, एक ही x बाकी x. So e power root x by 2 into root x minus 1 by x root x. That's the solution.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm asking you again, any one, if you are not able to understand the differentiation, please say I'll repeat from the starting. I'll teach you from the starting. Copy this.
Sir, please explain it again.
Please copy this.
Please explain again. Sir, repeat again.
Okay, okay. I'll repeat again. D by dx of e power root x by root x. What is the derivative of root x? First say formula.
Sir?
Derivative of root x क्या है?
1 by 2 root x.
Yeah, Siddharth. Thank you, Siddharth. 1 by 2 root x. Second one, d by dx of u by v. What is the d by dx of u by v? V square v u dash minus u v dash. Now look at it, is looking like u by v ना. न्यूमरेटर में एक ही टर्म है, डिनोमिनेटर में एक ही टर्म है. सो इसका फॉर्मूला क्या आया? रूट एक्स का होल स्क्वायर है. And the root x into, we have to calculate the derivative of e power root x. We have to calculate the derivative of root x. Root x into e power root x derivative, you know, it's looking like e power x. And e power x derivative is e power x. That is, e power root x derivative is e power root x. And the root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Again, इसका root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x by root x का whole square x हुआ. Sahil, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Sahil. Thank you. So this root x and root x are getting cancelled. एक ही first term e power root x by 2, e power root x by 2 root x by x. So now the simplification चल रहा है. Simplification क्या है ना? ये दोनों टर्म में e power root x by 2 common. 1 minus 1 by root x by x. हो गया. You can stop the solution here. But take the LCM once. It can be e power root x by 2 into root x as the LCM. ये x बाकी है. That is e power root x by 2 into root x minus 1 by x root x is the question. Okay. Copy it. Make it fast. Next question.
Got it, sir.
Very good, Baba.
Completed, sir.
Next question. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Question is d by dx of cos of log x whole square. First question. I'll give the time, do it. Second question. Y is equal to root x plus 1 by root x. Root x plus 1 by root x. Show that 2x into dy by dx equal to root x minus 1 by root x. Take a first one. Arpit, say the first one.
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, cos x log x whole square is equal to sin x into 1 by
Sin of log x whole square, bhai.
sin for log x whole square into 1 by
No,
x.
no. Arpit,
minus 2 log x sin
minus.
by x.
Siddharth, unmute. Siddharth, cos x ka derivative minus sin. Arpit did this. Now can you say what will be the next step? To what you should do the derivative? Cos हो गए. Cos का chapter finished है. Now log came or square came first? ये तो looking like a square है ना भाई. It is looking like square ना. X
Yes,
square का derivative 2 log x है. After that log x का derivative 1 by x. Arpit, understood?
Yes, sir.
Arpit, directly log x नया आया. ये square है पीछे में. So इसका square का derivative 2x है ना बाबा. 2 log x into तो log x का derivative 1 by x आया. See, there is a message from the institute. Computer science class will be held on 10:40 AM today instead of 10:30. Okay. This. Now this is clear. And the next question. So first question, first time we are seeing this question. Show that. Till now we did the certain question by doing dy by dx only. And this is the first time we are doing with nothing special. First calculate dy by dx and substitute here. You will get the answer. What they gave given y is equal to. So calculate dy by dx. Root x का derivative. Root x का derivative.
1 by
So
2
1 by
root
2
x.
root x.
Yeah, very good, Aditya. 1 by 2 root x. Now 1 by root x na, dekho, I'm talking about 1 by root x. It can be written as a x power minus 1 by 2. Bhai, root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. Bhai. In denominator में, in numerator तो x power minus 1 by 2 आया. अब इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या है? -1/2 इंटू एक्स पावर -1/2 -1. That is -1/2 into x power -3/2. That's the thing. So -1/2 into x power -3/2. So dy by dx is equal to 1/2 into x power -1/2, 1/2 into x power -3/2. 1/2 into x power -1/2. Now they are asking multiply with 2x, na?
Let 2x in both the sides.
Multiply 2x with both the sides, you'll get the answer. Next step, please do it and check you are getting the answer or not. Very good question, sir. Please, I'm requesting everyone, do it.
So we can take 1/2 common.
No, why? Why, Baba? देखो, multiply with 2x, it's enough, na? Both sides multiply with 2x. Then it will become 2x into dy by dx equal to 2x into 1/2 into e power minus x by 2, 2 minus 3/2. I'll write it in the next subset. 2x into dy by dx equal to 2x into 1/2 into x power minus 1/2 minus 1/2 into x power minus 3/2. Now multiply with 2x. 2 getting cancelled. X into x power minus 1/2. X into x power minus 3/2. Here the bases are equal. We should add the powers. Here also. Then it will become x power 1/2, x power minus 1/2. That is root x, 1 by root x.
Sir.
That only they're asking.
So I mistaken in that third step.
Oh, first term 2x you multiplied. Copy it. Y is equal to root x plus 1 by root x. Y is equal to root x plus 1 by root x. And they are asking to show something. Not they're asking us to prove dy by dx. They're asking us to prove something. This is the first question we are doing dy by dx. So this is the way.
Yes, sir, got.
Very good, Appa. Very good, Appa. Now I'll write the next question. See. Be ready. Yeah? 2 to 3 minutes I'll give the time. You have to solve it fastly. The question, this you want to copy? Copy that. I'll write the question here. Copy fastly. Y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by e power x plus e power minus x. Show that dy by dx equal to 1 by y square. That's good. or else if you feel this is tough, easy question. Y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. Show that. They're asking show that. One side. Y is equal to x into e power minus x. They're asking show that dy by dx equal to root over y square minus 4. That's the question. Do this question. If anyone want to copy that. Anamika, Arpan Pradhan, Siddharth, so many are there. Ajay, please do it. Y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. They're asking show that dy by dx equal to something. I'll do see. Y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. Dy by dx equal to, this is the thing I should prove. First calculate dy by dx. क्या अर्पित e power x का derivative?
So you've written that y square minus 4.
I wrote wrong. Oh, sorry, darling. Y square minus 4. Okay, show that. Now say e power x derivative.
E power x.
E power minus x derivative.
E power x into minus 1.
E power minus x into minus 1. E power minus x derivative is e power minus x into minus 1. So it can be written as a dy by dx equal to e power x minus e power minus x. First one is finished. Now RHS side. This is LHS side, Baba. Now RHS side क्या दे दिया? Under square root of y square minus 4a. Y क्या है? Y मतलब e power x
plus e power minus x
whole square minus 4. Now ये फॉर्मूला क्या है? a square plus b square plus 2ab ना? A plus b whole square is?
Yes, sir.
E power x whole square, e power minus x whole square plus 2 into e power minus x minus 4. ए में ये दोनों get cancel. E power x, e power minus x दोनों reciprocal है भाई. Now under square root of e power x whole square minus 4 minus 2 ये तो minus 2 आएगा. इधर 2 is a remaining one, the 4 is a remaining one. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. And here I am writing e power x into e power minus x again. Now it's looking like a minus b whole square formula. E power x minus e power minus x whole square. Square get cancelled. Look at LHS and RHS are equal.
सर dy by dx e power x plus e power minus x था तो वहाँ नीचे में कैसे आ गया e power x minus e power minus x?
e power x ये क्या यही वाला?
Yes sir.
ये डेरिवेटिव है भाई. e power x का डेरिवेटिव e power x है. इसमें y नहीं है, ये तो डेरिवेटिव है. e power x का डेरिवेटिव e power x है.
Yes sir, yes sir.
e पावर माइनस एक्स का e पावर माइनस एक्स, अगर -1 का माइनस एक्स का डेरिवेटिव -1 हो गया. Copy it, sir. Very, very good problem.
Explain the
Please.
RHS side, please.
हाँ,
So explain that RHS side.
RHS y का वैल्यू कितने है भाई?
So e to the power x plus e to the power minus x.
So y value I substituted e power x plus e power minus x whole square. It's looking like a minus b whole square, no? A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab में a क्या e power x, b क्या e power minus x. That e power x, e power minus x, they get cancelled. 2 will be resultant. अगर साइड में -4 है, 2 - 4 तो -2 आएगा. Again that -2 ना, it can be written as the e power x into e power minus x. Its value 1 ना बाबा.
So
Now
sir, again written that e to the 2 into e to the power x into e to the power minus x.
ये दोनों get cancel है भाई.
Yes sir, but in the
हाँ, I see ये तो 2 आएगा ना. 2 can be written as a 2 ones are 2 only ना. And 1 can be written as a e power x into e power minus x.
yes sir.
Now it is looking like a minus b whole square.
Yes sir, got it.
Please copy it. Please copy it. Next question. Huh? Next problem. Very good, man. Very good.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Very good. Next question. Y is equal to x into sine inverse of x plus root over 1 minus x square. Prove that dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to sine inverse x. Do it now. Do it now. Slowly do it. Started.
Yes sir.
I'll do it. dy by dx. First UV formula. X into sin inverse x derivative. 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus, here I am doing UV formula. Sin inverse x into x derivative is 1 plus, it's looking like root x. Its derivative is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x into internal derivative is minus 2x. 2 get cancelled. X by root over 1 plus x sin inverse x minus x by root over 1 minus x. These two are getting cancelled.
Proved, sir.
Proved over.
Sir, done, sir.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Yeah, sure. First one, first problem is UV formula by this is U and this is V. UV का formula क्या है? U into derivative of P plus V into derivative of U. U into derivative of P plus V into derivative of U is the formula. That is x into sin inverse x derivative 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x into x derivative is 1. And the root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x square. 1 by 2 root x into internal derivative is minus 2x. There x by root over 1 minus x square plus.
Sir, उस UV रूल के बाद प्लस 1 by 2 रूट
ये वाला UV भाई UV रूल इधर से हो गया भाई.
ये सर
ये वाला डेरिवेटिव यही क्या रूट ओवर 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का.
ये सर उसका 2 कैसे बाहर आ गया?
यही वाला.
ये सर
ये फॉर्मूला है भाई. रूट एक्स का डेरिवेटिव 1 by 2 रूट
1 by
एक्स
2
है
root x.
ये सर
ये फॉर्मूला में रूट है. Okay, thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll meet. Next class we'll meet again. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.